how to fix MoonPay network fee problem. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix a network fee problem on MoonPay, so make sure to watch the video till the end. A MoonPay network fee or gas fee error typically happens when you lack the native blockchain token like ETH for Ethereum or SOL for Solana required to pay for transfers, swaps, or sales. To fix this, you have to buy or deposit a small amount of the native gas token into your wallet to cover the network cost. To do so, you want to simply go to your MoonPay profile, and here under assets, you can simply try to buy some assets, whatever is necessary for you to make the particular transaction. You also have to ensure the gas token matches the exact chain your token uses, like Ethereum versus an L2 network like Base or Arbitrum. You can also try to reduce your trade or swap size so your remaining balance can absorb the network fee, and make sure your transaction meets MoonPay Help Center minimum thresholds so it does not stall out. This way you can fix network fee problem. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.